Hello, we're going to do an experiment online today. We're going to watch it and we're going to think about it. We've noticed several times that when we had cups of icy cold water that there was condensation or there were water droplets on the outside of it. We noticed that when we had the cup of cold water and the cup of room temperature water that the room temperature water did not get condensation on it, but the icy cold cup did. So where does that water come from on the outside of the cup? We had some different ideas on that. People had different ideas about where the water came from on the outside of the cold cup. Some people thought it came from inside the cup and it kind of evaporated over the wall in some way. Some people thought it came through the wall of the cup. Some people thought it came out of the air, and somehow the water vapor in the air became liquid water droplets on the outside of the cup. Then we talked a little bit in some of the classes about how we could test that idea about where condensation comes from. What could we do to find out where that water came from? We've got a investigation or an experiment here where we're going to have 2 cups of water that are going to be equal amounts. One is ice cold water and the other one is room temperature water. It's going to be the same cups, same setup. We're also going to add blue food coloring to the water in each cup. Why would we do that? What does having blue water inside the cup tell us after we get the condensation on the outside of one of the cups? We know from, then it says close the cup systems by adding the lids and a piece of plastic under the lid. So that should keep the air from going in and out if air is going in and out. Or if there's evaporation going in and out, that should stop that, right? The food coloring would let us know if the blue water inside is getting through the wall and going outside.